Hi everyone, today we are unlocking the power of Excel pivot tables. If you work with data and need quick summaries, pivot tables are your best friends. In just a few minutes, you will learn what they are, how to create them, and how to visualize your data. Imagine you have hundreds of sales and records. Instead of manually adding things up, a pivot table lets you instantly see total sales by region or by product with simple drag and drop actions. Before starting, ensure your data is clear, no blank, no rows columns within your data, and each columns need a unique header. Let's create one. First, click anywhere inside your data. Second, go to the Insert tab. Then click Pivot Table. Then choose Existing Worksheet for the dashboard. Now you guys will see the pivot table field span. It has your column headers and four areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. Let's see total sales of each product by region. First, drag region to rows. Second, drag sales amount to values. To visualize this, we use a pivot chart. First, click anywhere inside your pivot table. Then, go to Analyze tab. Then, click Pivot Chart and click OK. Format your pivot chart according to the dashboard setting. Notice that if you change the pivot table, for example, you add product category to column in the field span, your chart updates automatically. This makes dynamic reporting incredibly easy. Let's give another try total sales of each product by salesperson. First, drag salesperson to rows. Second, drag sales amount to values. And then format all of these. Now calculate each product contribution in total sales. Use this formula. Use this for formula is equal to C13 LI sale in keyboard divided by C8 total keyboard sale. Make sure to log the row number. Now drag this formula. Select the range of cells containing the percentages you just calculated. First, go to Home, then Conditional, Formatting and select Data Bars. Choose your desired data bar style. In last, add slicer for region. First, click anywhere inside your pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Analyze and select Insert Slicer. From the Insert Slicers dialog box, check the box next to region. Click OK. First, format the slicer. Click on the slicer to select it. The Slicer Tools option or Analyze tab will appear. You can change the style, number of columns, height, width, etc. Connect slicer to all pivot tables. Right click on the slicer. Select Report Connections. In the Report Connections dialog box, check the boxes next to all the pivot tables you want this slicer to control. Click OK. That's the basic power of pivot tables and pivot charts. They allow you to quickly summarize and visualize large data sets. Practice with your own data, and you will soon master this essential Excel skills. Thanks for watching.